Okay, students, we are going to solve the next question, and next question is 8a. Okay, in this 8a, we are going to see, prepare the accounting equation for the following. Started business with cash and goods, both. Two things they are utilizing for the starting of business. First, make the pro forma. Assets is equal to capital plus liability. Starting business with cash and capital. It means this side capital and here two head cash and goods. So beta, we are utilizing two head because that business start with the two head cash and goods. So we are going to take the both cash and goods both beta. Okay, it means in cash 75,000 and goods 25,000. Okay beta, so in cash the return is 75,000 and in goods 25,000 and total amount is 1 lakh. It's the first transaction. Okay beta, here it's a new case. Before that, in old question only business start with the cash, but here business start with the cash and capital both. Okay beta, it's a cash and capital both we are utilizing for the starting of their business. Okay beta, next is paid for rent 2,000. Any expense, I think you're well clear about that. Any expense will less from the cash and capital beta. Any expense will less from cash and capital. 73,000, 98,000. So beta, clear? Then again we are finalized. Both side will equal. Okay, go for the next. Brought goods from cash 30,000 and on credit 44,000. Okay, beta. Brought goods from cash. The goods we have add in here only cash 30,000 and on credit 44,000. Both will add, and what goods we are purchasing in cash, that will less from the cash, and the goods which we are purchasing on credit, for that new head creditor, and the amount of new head is creditor is 44,000. The total of goods is 99,000, cash 43,000, capital 98, and creditor 44,000. Okay beta, clear? Next, goods costing 50,000 sold at a profit of 25%, out of which 27,500 received in cash. First, we are going to sell the goods. Any type of this type of transaction will come. Just take very easily, part by part. Take a part by part. First, 50,000 value of goods we are going to sell. It means first we are going to less 50,000 from your goods. Finished? One thing is finished. Then we are selling these goods on 25% profit. Just calculate the 25% of 50,000. 50,000 into 25 upon 100, it means 12,500. It means total amount we are receiving 62,500. This is the total amount we have to receive, because we are selling with the value of 12,500 profit, and the profit will add here beta in capital. Two things is clear. Okay, now 27,500 receive in cash. What receive in cash? Add in cash. 27,500. Okay, and the remaining amount on credit. Remaining amount, beta, on credit. And when we are going to sell anything on credit, beta, so that will make the what? Debtor. And debtor amount, beta, total amount is 62,500. Total amount 62,500 less the amount which is received in cash 27,500. 27,500. What remaining amount is there, beta? What amount will came? 35,000. Okay. So then 35,000 is what? It's a debtor. Okay, beta, clear? Again, I will explain. First, 50,000 of value of goods we are going to sold. So just add less the 50,000 of value of goods from goods. Okay. Then we are selling with the profit of 25%. The 25% profit is 12,500 and profit will add where? In capital, add there, finished. Then we are received 27,500 in cash, that will add in a cash. But total amount we have to receive, the amount is 62,500, but we are received 27,500. The remaining amount as a debtor we are going to treat. Okay, beta? Here 35,000, here 49,000, then 70,500 is equal to 1,10,500 plus 44,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Now going for the next. Purchase a motorcycle for personal use. Anything you are purchasing for personal use, that will less from the cash and capital. That will less from the cash and capital. The 20,000 less from the cash and capital. Okay, beta? It will be less from both. So then 35,000, 49,000, 50,500, 90,500, 44,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Up to this is clear, beta? 50,500 is cash, 49,000, debtor 35,000, liability 44,000 and 90,500 capital. Okay, all things came. Again, I will repeat the question. First, we are start the business with the cash and capital. Okay, with the cash and capital. So we are going to show the both cash and capital both. We are going to showing the cash and capital, and then cash 75,000 and capital beta, and capital amount, goods amount 25,000 and total capital is 1 lakh. Then 2,000 paid by rent. Rent you are going to pay to less from the cash and capital. It's very easy. Then they are going to purchase 30,000 of goods in cash. So add in goods 30,000 less from cash 30,000. Then 45,000 on credit. Add in goods 45,000 and credit 45,000, 44,000 credit. Make the creditor on liability side. Okay. Then go for the next. Finalize and next. We are going to sell the 50,000 of goods. Value of goods is 50,000. We are going to sell 50,000. Okay, beta? Less from the goods, and we are going to sell it the profit of 25%. The 25% of 50,000 is 12,500. That will add in capital. Okay, finished. Then total amount we have to receive 62,500, but only 27,500 we are receiving. So 27,500 we are going to add in in cash, and remaining amount 35,000 we are going to make the debtors. Okay, beta? Remaining amount 35,000 we are going to make the debtors. Okay. Last, they are take the money from purchase of motorbike for his personal use. Personal use means drawing. So drawing will less from the cash and capital. Drawing will less from the beta cash and capital. Okay, finished. Copy it. Clear. Now I am going for the next question. 8B. Write it fast, beta. Okay, we are going for the next. Okay, beta. Prepare accounting equation for the following and then prepare the balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet we are going to prepare the other way. Today, next is the Raghu started business with cash of rupees 50,000. Okay, beta. Raghu going to start the business with the cash of rupees 50,000. 150. Okay, then cash is equal to capital and the amount of that is 1,50,000. Okay, beta? 1,50,000. Then next, brought goods from cash 80,000 and on credit 40,000. New head, we are going to make here goods 80,000 in cash and on credit 40,000. Okay, beta? 80,000 in cash and 40,000 on credit. So what we are taking in cash, that will less from cash, and what is the credit? We are going to make one new head, creditor 40,000 on liability side. Okay, then this side goods 120, 70 cash, 150 capital, 40,000 creditor. So beta 40,000 creditor. Clear? Okay, go for the next. Goods costing 75,000 sold at a profit of 33 1/3, half of payment received in cash. Okay, step by step. Goods costing 75,000. So less from goods 75,000. First do these things. Okay, beta. First do these things. 75,000. Okay, beta. First we are going to do these things. 75,000 less from your where? From your goods. This is finished. Then selling it 33 1/3. So just calculate 33 1/3 of 75,000. That will come 25,000. 25,000 is profit, and profit will add in a capital. Okay, two step is finished. Okay, next, half the amount received in cash. So half the amount of full selling, 75,000 value of goods, 25,000 profit. Total amount is 50,000. Beta. Total amount is 50,000. Total amount is 1 lakh. Sorry, not 40,000. Total amount is 1 lakh, and half the amount is 50,000. It means 50,000 you are receiving in cash, and 50,000 new head, that will the debtor. Okay, beta. As like that, you are going to sell the 75,000 value of goods. 33%, 25,000. Total amount 1 lakh, half 50,000. Okay, 50,000 in cash and 50,000 in credit. So 50,000 cash will add and 50,000 credit will make the debtor. Okay, beta, clear? 25,000, 120 cash, 175 capital, 40,000 creditor. Okay, next. Good costing 10,000 sold for 12,000 in credit on credit beta. Okay, goods costing 10,000 sold for 12,000. Again, goods costing is 10,000. That's from here. Selling in a 12,000. We are receiving 12,000 on credit. So where add in a capital. 2,000 is what? Profit that will add in capital. Okay. Again sell. Same thing is there. Okay, but value of goods is 10,000 and we are going to sell on 12,000. So 12,000 add in debtor, because when we are going to sell on credit, that will make the debtor 10,000 less from the where? Less from goods. Okay, 2,000 profit that will add here where? In capital. Just finalize. 62,000 debtor, 35,000 goods, 1,20,000 cash, 177 capital, 40,000 credit. Okay, next, paid for rent and salary, 2,000, 4,000, less from cash and capital. Very easy. Less from cash and capital. Any type of expense will less from cash and capital. Okay. 2,000 and 4,000. 2,000 and 4,000. Okay. Less from cash and capital. Again, 62,000 debtor, 35,000 what? It's goods, 1,14,000 is cash, 1,71,000 is capital, and then 40,000 is creditors. Okay, clear? Go for lost. Good costing 20,000 sold for 18,500. Okay. Again, first goods costing 20,000 less here from goods 20,000. What we are selling in 18,500. It means we are receiving only 18,500. Okay. Here what? Here lost. Value of goods is more less. Value of goods is 20,000, but we are going to sell in less value. Okay, the value of goods is more than his price. That means loss, 1,500 loss. That will less from here, that means less from capital. Okay. Then my life 62,000, 15,000. 132,500, 169,500, 40,000. Okay, clear? 132,500, 1562 liability, 41, 69,500. All things came. Okay, clear? How we are solved is clear or not? Okay, beta. First, business start with the cash 1,50,000, then 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Then going to purchase 80,000 of goods in cash. So 80,000 add in goods and less from cash. 40,000 on credit, add in goods 40,000 and make the one new head. What? New head is the creditor on liability side. Okay. Then we are going to sell 75,000 value of goods with the profit of 25%, 75 plus 25, 1 lakh, only 50% receive in cash, so add in cash 50,000 and 50,000 make the debtor, 25,000 profit will add in a where? In a, where beta? In capital, because it's the profit. Next, again, 10,000 value of goods sold in 12,000. So from goods 10,000 less on debtor because it's on credit, on debtor less add 12,000, but 2,000 is profit that will add in capital. Next, two more expense, rent and salary, both are less from the cash and capital beta. Okay, both are less from the cash and capital. Okay, go for the next. Again 20,000 value of goods is selling the loss. This time we are going to sell in a loss, and loss amount is 1500, that will less from the capital. What amount we are receiving? 18,500, that will add in a cash, and 20,000 less from where? Less from stock or goods. Then answer is 62,000 debtor, 50,000 goods, 1,32,500 cash, capital 1,69,500 and credit 40,000. Okay, beta, clear? All thing is clear or not? This all thing is clear, beta? On this way we are solving the question, beta. Okay, on this way, this is the system by which we are solving the question. In these two questions, some new thing is coming, and new thing is on the basis of percentage. And like that, in old question, there is a 33%. In old question, beta, 25% is there, and only 27,500 received. So that what amount we are receiving, that will add in a cash, and difference amount what we are not receiving on credit, that is making for the debtor, but profit always add in a capital. Here that 75,000, 33%, 25,000 add in a capital because it's a profit. We are receiving half, so 50,000 add in where? Add in a cash, and 50,000 we are going to make the debtor. One new head is there, loss. Before that, all goods we are selling on profit, but here we are going to sell on the loss, and loss amount beta, here loss amount 20,000 value of goods, but we are going to sell in a 18,000. We are going to sell in 18,000. 1,500 loss, 1,500 loss will less from the capital, 18,500 add in a cash, and 20,000 less from the goods. Okay, beta. On this way we are solving the question. Clear? All thing is clear? Okay, beta.